everyone. I just wanted to share how I created this sketch using Picture This and dark sea green cardstock. So I took the sketch and I interpreted the top and bottom strips as cardstock. And so I had that as my base. Then I used the Picture This collection and cut off 2 inches. So I had an inch on top and an inch on bottom to show the cardstock. And then I did the strips using the decorative paper. And then I matted these blocks for photos inside. So I interpret it as these 4 blocks have photos, and I just thought it would be nice if that was also matted. So you can see here that I've got these 3 pictures perfectly matted. These 2 pictures symmetrically match, although I cut this picture and needed to cut somebody out, and then realized my picture was too narrow. So with that error, I then cut this picture exactly the same, so more of a rectangle shape that is smaller, and then I added that on top. I used a mat from the Picture This collection, so this is half of a mat to do my journaling, and a couple of stickers from the Picture This stickers. And that is my layout of my beautiful family. So these are my in-laws, my husband, my daughter, and my 2 grandsons. Enjoy creating. Happy scrapbooking.